pushing themselves, and there's not a weak link in our chain right now. And it's interesting to have this sort of safety feeling right now with these actors. And it's some of our actors' first real job, to be honest, and they're kind of learning things as we go along. And it's interesting to watch them really try things, because like Sarah was saying, a lot of times if there's a formula that works, they stay with the formula. But we all push each other, and it's one of those sets where I can look at Sarah and I go, should I try this? And I'll trust what she tells me, or Andy or any of the other ones. So it's interesting to watch each other, what the other actors bring to the table. It's fascinating for me to be on the inside, watching it from the inside. So I think all of our characters, Chandler's not the same kid he was when he started the show at all. None of us are, and it's interesting to watch.
What about your brother in the show? Does he change, or is he always going to be a bastard?
His name is John Bernthal. He's kind of like, he's kind of a bastard, but he's my bastard. You know what I mean? So I stick up for him. He's got a few moments where he's not such, and then he's got a few moments where you just, catch him on fire. He's a good actor, and he's sort of an explosive personality, and he brings a lot to me, brings a lot to the table. He's fun. He's fun to play.
Okay, I'm going to open now to the audience. That chap there.
Did everybody consider what would I do if the world went to hell? And was it